This competition is not just a competition, this is a career making path where students will be benefited with a long journey which they are stepping in the hotel industry.
I saw various mocktails, various types of drinks, methods of making drinks, and that will definitely help me in my further bartending techniques and overall experience.
This was my own first competition. I got to learn a better time management. The staff was supportive. They helped me arranging my cake in the fridge or any small details which I would need.
Participation in this competition, while in great exploration, we have seen many kind of dishes with different colleges who made this, and really feeling great to be a part of this.
We learned a lot from this experience. We have made mistakes and we will correct it later on. So I think this experience was a learning experience for us. There's a lot of knowledge that it has added to us.
Better Kitchen or this competition itself is a platform to explore. Now this platform is to compete, but to become a competent person rather than competing with each other.
This has brought the top-notch hospitality schools under one umbrella, where we have seen the fantastic emerging culinary talent, bakery talent, and so as the mixologist here on this platform.